All right, we in Puerto Rico at the El Conquistador, hope I'm pronouncing that right, resort here. This is a villa, so let's check it out. Come through the main area here. Got your closet here with your hangers and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I know you don't want to see that. You got your dining room area right here, which is real nice. You got your living room entertainment seating area. That's real nice. Nice flat screen. Kitchen area. Nice stainless steel appliances, granite tops, nice and clean. Couple of coffee amenities and whatnot. Looking good. Got your AC up in here. This is a nice half bath right here. Nice half bath. Then when you come down the hall, you know, you got room right here, master bedroom, which is mine. You got the bedroom here. Ooh, nice good king bed. Now we can come over here, go into the bathroom. I know what this is. Yep. Nice closet with the safe, all that good stuff. Pretty cool. Another closet here. Ironing board. Oh, I was about to say what iron at. I didn't see the iron, but it's back there. Okay, got your his her unity sink, as I'm gonna say. His and her unity sink. Big oversized shower. Nice. Nice. Oh, I'm liking this. Nice. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Straight up liking this right here. Yeah, we in there. We in there. It's a 2-bedroom. Oh, you know, I meant to show y'all something too. I meant to show y'all something. Yeah, that's right. Got a nice little patio balcony right here. That look over is dark out, so you really can't see nothing, but it's nice. I had to get some daytime footage out here so I can show you all this. Yeah, this all right here, man. I'm liking this. Oh yeah. And you can come out either door with this. Either way. But yeah, let's go back in here. I'm going up here to the second floor. for the second room in the villa. Nice little chandelier right there. Let's see what we got. Where you at?
Right here.
Let's see where this guy at. How he living up here? Oh, this how he living up here.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
About to hit the pool in a little bit.
He got a nice little balcony. Woo! Oh, this boy official. Look at that. This boy official. What you mean?
Puerto Rico today. Tune in with me. We're going to Colombia next week.
Check this. What his bathroom looking like? Yes, sir. Yeah, we good. Certified.
Yes, sir.
Light that boy up one time.
Chandeliers.
Ooh.
Yup.
I'm telling you. Your boy, man, we doing it major. We doing it big. I told you, 2 bedrooms in this joint. Had to go up the stairs and everything.
Yes, sir.
We official, man. I'm telling you. Good job. All right, later.